Game Sri Bibarbari. Wow.
We started out on a Wednesday and I couldn't figure out why you would be mad at me. Whoa, you say it's nothing.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy and very thankful to all of you because this Swmdwn Borgoyary YouTube channel, our family has completed 5k subscribers. So thank you so much to all of you, my dear viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much, and continue supporting me like that and help me out so that I can reach higher and do better works and bring better videos for you all guys. So go on watching, and this the information about Mwnabili, because Mwnabili picnic spot has upgraded a lot. You can see the difference. So I'm here today. What is this?
Okay, before coming.
Yeah, you also take.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So let's go. Hey bro, let's go and see around. Take me.
Let's go.
And this is the new bridge which they have added recently. And this bridge is so strong that even a tractor, loaded tractor, can cross over this bridge. You can see everybody garabanai deng mane tractor babu khana higher. Tractor babu khana higher be loaded also. And you can see people enjoying the views and see the parties over here and there. More and more people are coming and visiting this place these days because it is made even more attractive, more beautiful to see, and places have been cleaned up so clearly.
And now I will show you one special restaurant which I have seen here. That is water restaurant.
Wow, see there. Restaurant on the river.
Restaurant.
So guys, this is an outstanding restaurant which I have seen over here. So guys, you also can come and enjoy over here. This is a river restaurant. Wow. From here you can get views from all the 4 directions, you can see, because it is open and it is almost in the middle of the river.
दा बे मोनाबिलियाव दा जोङो जास्ट जोंबो सार्भे खालामनायबायदि फैनाय जादों आरोखि बा पिकनिक स्पटआ माबायदि ओमफ्राय दा बावथ' नुबाय परिस्थितियाबो मोजां ओमफ्राय ओरै गासिबो सिनारिफ्राबो थिगैनो दं ओमफ्राय जानाखि बाहाय मेनेजमेन्टफोरा जायनाखि मेनेजमेन्ट खालामनाय कमिटि बिसोर ओरैनो थिगैनो दं.
So we are going up. Come on.
So here we can find different kinds and varieties of restaurants over here on the upper land in Chadu Mara jungle.
You can see the side. We are still up and down side. You can see all those places, open space at the Jalukbari. And they have upgraded for us right now. You can see when it was open newly, that time we could see this was all jungle, no?
Yeah, jungle. Everywhere jungle.
It was jungle now, so they have cleared up.
Yeah.
They have cleared up all these things, you can see. And they have made one of surprise. I will summarize. Oh, what is this? Wow. This is really different which we have seen here. Newly upgraded. This is what?
Yeah, tree house.
Okay.
Yeah, tree house.
Watchtower.
Yeah, let me try.
Yeah, you go up.
You
too.
I have to pass here and I have to pay money also.
Oh, not free da. For us, they are giving us free.
Oh,
yeah, for us giving free. Yeah, go up, bro. Wow. How tall it is, man?
Bye bye. Hey,
Wait. Oh, 7 feet, man.
bye bye.
Yeah.
I will go to heaven.
Go. Oh,
I'm in heaven.
interesting, man. So from here we can get some views, I think. Oh, but mana undu tho jai mate. Jana leng tree house. Nice, man. See where? Sit. Let's sit, man.
Yeah, we have to give order, no?
Yeah. Bro is bringing for us. They are providing us this one freely to try. So thank you, brother. Hey, brother.
Welcome.
Okay. So looks very delicious, man. Bro.
Wow.
Gothau jagan le.
Gothau jagan.
Wow. Wow. Actually, this is best item. No, brother.
Boria.
Hey, this is for kids.
Yeah, I am not kids. I have to try how.
Yeah. Try. Wow.
Wow.
So you can come and enjoy this one also, man. Here. Bro.
Yeah. Bring. Come. Oh, what is this?
So, man. Wow, unique. Wow. What a creativity. What a creative mind they have got, man. No?
Yeah, really.
What a style.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, bro.
How
Wow. Wait, let me
Wow.
try.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Nice, man.
Good.
Yeah.
Wow. Mwnabili. Hey, one more there.
One more.
Yeah.
One more tree house. Let's go.
Wow, like
Pai noma Punjabi na mathe.
ang boro.
Denjarle ni thopsia. Ma naam bhai ninge?
Angge Susil
Noalai mohite?
Lalayau.
Lalai. Acha. Lalai mane bai jingi Malivitani lalai jahaibai. Susil bro. Oमफ्राय मोइथो सोलोङा फै नोंलाय
आं बेंगलराव सोलोंहैदों
औ
आं गोबाव बोसोर जाबायमोन माने आं 7 बोसोरसिम जाहैदों बेंगलराव
ए मा आइटेम मोनो नोंसिनाव खोन्थादो दे
हांनायाव मोननाय जागोन जोंनियाव अमा हांनाय अमा खोमा हांनाय आरो दाउनि मोननाय जागोन दाउनि जाबाय हारियालि काबाब बानजिरा काबाब मालाय काबाब बेफोर दंजोबो जोंनाव गासैबो मोनजोबगोन आरो दंबाव चिकेन तान्दुरि बे गथा जागोन
आच्छा मासे
माने आं फार्स्टआव थांनायावनो बेखौ जइन खा आंने रेस्टुरेन्टाव हेल्पारनिफ्राय डाइरेक्ट आं हारसिं मावदों
डाइरेक्ट किचेनाव मावग्रोखादों
हारसिं किचेनाव मावखादों 8 बोसोरसिम जाबाय आं
The name of this restaurant hey bro show me where
name is like a Game Sri Bibarbari
wow
Game Sri Bibarbari that means you look
Game
at
Sri Bibarbari.
some of the flowers there artificial flowers
are there going out from Game Sri Bibarbari restaurant and going to another restaurant again wow another beautiful restaurant we can find here what is this River Bank restaurant wow let's see oh they have decorated very well man mojang bebo mojang let's go inside and talk a little bit so it's written here welcome open that means it's open now oh hey bro kya naam hai sapande items you can get over here in River Bank restaurant wow let me show oh this side they have open space they have arranged this one also you can get over here wow bonfire very good place for bonfire no maila for bonfire yeah so you can see here Dhanraj Setri Hemraj Setri क्या बन रहा है अभी
ये चिकन बनेगा
चिकन ना पोक है ये पोक बन रहा है ना क्या ये कस्टमर के लिए ना
नहीं
खुद के लिए अच्छा ये है कुक नाम क्या है भाई आपका किरण बुजेल कितना साल का 10 साल रेस्टोरेंट में काम किया वाओ you can see see oh what style man
what's the name of
no
restaurant? No name
this is no name pork and chicken and ear of the oma khama ear of the pig you can see wow I think this guy is the most experienced guy really picnic spot I think this guy is the most experienced guy chicken dry fry. Dawharu. Besi gobaवनि माबा दंब्रा सोलोंनायालाय 7 years. 7 years बाहेराव मावोमोन. Bangalore. Acha. Here you will get this Mwnabili restaurant, Indo-Bhutan border road, Malivita. Okay. Let me get inside and show you here also. First, I got this menu over here, Mwnabili restaurant. Okay. Here are the cabins. Cabin dongkhayo ni special na beyaw. Decorated with the screen cloths. So you can find some oranges here. Mani local. Na Bhutan ni. Local. Magami ni.
Ambari.
Ambari ni sontra. Nebe bahangau 100. How many pieces you will get? 400 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sata nama? Oh, deh. Pre mama moनबावो?
Chana एवनाय दाउदै एवनाय.
Belai माथो?
Roti बानायो.
Oh, chana. Fried chana. Oमफ्राय बेलाय?
दाउदै.
Boiled eggs.
Saha.
Sahaबो मोनो? Oh.
Papor.
And you can find here one screen. This you can use. Oh, this you can get freely. Help.
No need to.
No, this fellow has no energy.
Man like that.
He has no energy. Full. Yeah. Come on. Boy, dummy. Dalam macam bonus birat Korea. Fैदों. Oi bro. दा माबायदि जाखो? Hello. मोजां, बहुत मोजां. सिगांनिफ्राय बहुत साबसिन जाबाय. Korea. Yes. Tired now?
Yeah, we have to take rest. And because the stomach is zero. Yeah.
Now the time is 1:51 and we are hungry also and we are going to eat food lunch. Jakamai gue?
Yes.
Finish eating?
Yeah, already.
Oh yeah. Committees, what? Management committees cook. Yeah.
This guy cannot speak and cannot hear, but he is very sincere and hard-working guy.
Burma. Dao. Ma. Uma. Oh. Gotaw. Oh. So going to eat pork with what curry chil raha? ओमफ्राय बेयाव फैनानै बुकिं खालामा साथानि न' उन्दुनो मोनगोन नै. And those who are interested in night campings, you can contact on this given mobile number which is on the screen, charging for per tent 1800 rupees. With 1800 rupees you will get one dinner and one breakfast. तारमाने जायफ्रा हरबो थानो गोसो थानो हायो नै बेफोरबायदि फिसा साथानि न' मोनगोन आरोखि. बेवहाय बुकिं खालामनो 1800 थाखा नांगौ. बेजोंहाय मोनानि जानाय मोनगोन बा अखानाय फुंनि रेजेंगा जानायबो मोनगोन. And my dear friends, please maintain cleanliness in this picnic spot. This is what this management committee is telling us. Please, after finishing a party, please collect all the garbages, all the bottles, used bottles, everything in one place and please burn it.
Yeah.
Before going.
Before
please,
going.
Yeah. Please maintain the cleanliness before going. Up to 5 PM in the evening. After that, if you are still in the picnic spot, certain action will be taken.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and once again thank you so much for making this channel as a community of 5K. I mean 5,000.